Okay, today we're gonna do another
Catching
yeah, catch.
video.
Yes.
Part 2.
Mhm.
We came back after the last video.
We got the boss stuck if you didn't see it.
You should watch our last video that we made.
Yes, but we don't even have that much video, so you can see that easily.
Ready?
Yes.
Can we catch your whole hand?
I can't.
Oh, let's see how good you are. No.
I gotta go to the other side again.
No.
Oh my god!
Why do you keep on having
I got stuck again.
Got it.
Huh? Oh, whoops.
We got it.
Yes, we got the ball. Dang! I can't even catch with one hand. How can you not even catch that? I can't even catch the ball.
Jack, put on my chest.
Finally, I caught it.
Whoa. Easy as.
Whoa! Hey, I made a score! You really don't know how to play soccer. Matthew! Get the stick.
Where is it now?
Like somebody.
I need to go to the
I
other
don't
side. Michael, I said get it.
I got the ball. Hello. So musty, dusty, crusty.
Dusty, dusty.
I do it. Okay. Oh, sorry guys, you couldn't see that. I'm gonna have to do that again. What is it?
I gotta let you out.
Oh! You broke it!
I told you to look out.
Why?
What, are we gonna start dying now? Go over there. Go along. Go along. Go along.
What are you doing, Matthew?
Go.
We're gonna get arrested. What is this? That's your fault. Now I'm gonna end this video because of you.